So Lynn, tell the story of the policeman and the menorah.
So it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I hear this bang in the kitchen. And so, I woke up. Of course, Anna's snoring next to me. She's fine. I think, okay, it must be nothing. It can't be anything, right? So I'm sort of going back to sleep, and I hear this bam. There's like the loudest noise. Of course, Anna then wakes up, and we've got Colby in the bedroom with us, and we're all terrified. We think, okay, there's somebody in the house. So she whips out her phone and phones 911. I get the baseball bat and we stand in the room because she's got the baby. You stand at the baseball bat. She's on the phone with 911 and they're like, we're at the door, but we can't get in. So we're like, oh, now how do we get through the hallway to get to the door, because now there are intruders in our house right outside the door, right? So we take the baseball bat and I'm in front and Anna's behind me with the baby and we're like, run! Rush through to the front door, let in what we think is a policeman. 6 cops come in with their guns, everything blazing, going through the house looking, and they can't find anything. And we come back and we look in, and there the menorah that had been standing in the hallway. There was what we think was like a stained glass window suction thing that had been on the window that had fallen off, knocked the menorah down onto the ground and set this chain reaction of everything falling in the middle of the night. But here are 6 policemen in our house. I'm still holding a baseball bat, and the guy goes with this one, what are you doing with the bat? What? Let's go.
I'm a really big fan.
But so we're standing outside with like a, month-old baby.
I never heard this. It's funny.